Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and here I'm going to show you our 77 K15 Sierra Grande. Actually, I think it's just Sierra. Half-ton short box, four-wheel drive. Driving projects, what I kind of call these. You can see it needs a grill, it needs some body work. You can see the hood's got some surface rust, and as it does, you know, you're going to need some replacement panels. I definitely replace that fender. I think the door is probably usable. Yeah, because the inside of the door is pretty good. All the rockers are good. Door panel need to be refinished. New armrest. New seat. We put a new seat cover in it. Obviously needs a new dash. And the mat's cut down there, so you need want to put a new mat or carpet. So, Sierra Grande is what it is. Tilt. Was an air truck. Like I said, it's not nice thing. This box is pretty good shape. A little bit right here, but for a northern truck, not the rust isn't too bad. The paint's faded, missing some chrome. Of course, that tailgate you would get rid of. And then they make pass panels for just some bottom behind the wheel because so many of them rust there. But this is all pretty good and solid right here. This door is not as good, but you see the rockers in the cab corners are good. The door is pretty good on the inside, so it maybe would be fixable. Just have to put a piece of metal in there. And it's nice to have the GM doors over the, and they must put a different, you can see this is different color than this because they must put a different fender, and they just left the 3/4 ton emblem that was on there because it is a half ton four-wheel drive. So if you're looking for a driving project, see my running video and driving video. Runs and goes down the road nice, and we'll go through everything works. So good solid old truck. 605-695-7391.